I'm in Australia. It's unbelievable.
Is it true that when it's over, nothing will change? Is it true that thinking over will lead to pain? Just be my dream.
I don't feel I'm in Australia. Where is kangaroo? Where is kangaroo? Какой-то большой. Apartment's so nice, and the lady, she's a dancer actually, which is so cool. We talked a bit with her, and she said like, "Oh, you're German." Like, this is the second time when somebody is thinking I'm a German.
Klar war. Und ich bin so glücklich, dass ich endlich meine geliebte deutsche Sprache fließend sprechen kann.
Such a cool thing to say. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not sure. Well, I'm ready to go out. Unfortunately, I fell asleep for 2 hours or something. Sorry, now it's already like 4 p.m. Anyway, after that, we I don't know who we somebody has a session here, so yeah. What is this cricket? Of course, I got lost. Anyway, I hope I will find a way to the exchange point. It's already getting dark, and the weather is quite good. It's not cold, not hot. I'm just trying to find 7-Eleven to buy a go-kart for the Brisbane train, but I still cannot see any of this. And York, BD, and wow. Well, and also I need to exchange US dollars to Australian dollars, and yeah, just because I don't have this card, I'm just walking. But it's enjoyable walk. No way, if I say like enjoyable, I don't want to go there. Oh, my feet, my legs. Brisbane Botanical Garden. It is dark already. Not a lot of people. It's just really dark, actually. Yeah, barely can see anything. How can you forget? Oh my god. Hey. It's a good place to shoot a video. Oh yeah, true. Now you're gonna kill me.
We're on the ground. Here we go. Where am I going? Way out.
Oh, you're like a speedy driver.
Not really. The city itself is pretty small in comparison to Sydney and Melbourne.
So, good morning. This is second day in Brisbane. I'm going today to see the library. So this is my plan for today, and maybe I will go to the session. Not maybe, I need to go there. Like, it's a freestyle session, every style. It's quite interesting. The dancers here are so good, and I think it's a good idea to see them there. Yeah, here we go. I found an umbrella, so I can't look from the outside. This is so cool to see the real universities you checked in the internet, and right now you're just like walking around and you see them in real life. So cool.
Warm up the legs. Warm up the heart rate. Upper body.
6 in the morning. I really want to sleep. I didn't sleep well, but we are going to the Gulf Coast today, and I'm going to take the train at 6:24, and then Nikki will pick me up from there by car. And see you in the Gold Coast.